Welcome, today in front of you Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box here. Okay, this is the eco-friendly box, as we can see. So what we can find here, this is the USB Type-C cable, the Motorola charger brick, original Motorola charger brick with all of the specs. Also we can find here in this paper box the SIM eject tool, some paperwork like this quick start guide, safety guide, and the warranty card, and also the silicone protective case. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.